Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. We got a good one here today. We're going to be taking the C8 Corvette out onto the track, not a circuit track, but a drag strip. So today is track day. Like I said during my delivery video, I'm not much of a racing kind of person. I don't go out onto the track often. The last time I did was a long time ago, and quite frankly, it doesn't even compare because it was in a pickup truck, so I didn't even need a race helmet for that. I've done my due diligence in terms of making sure the car is ready. I'm at about 4,000 miles, so everything is very well broken in. I did my first service. The transmission fluid is topped off. The helmet is to standard, and I'm making sure that I'm compliant with everything to bring it out onto the track strip safely. All my I's are crossed and my T's are dotted, or the other way around. You guys know what I mean. I'm kind of excited. I'm really pumped to just kind of get out there, get on the track, and have some fun. And this being the Z51, it would be a shame if I ended up not actually ever tracking the car. And for those of you that are joining me for the first time, this is a bone stock C8 Corvette with the addition of the Corsa Extreme exhaust. That is the only real difference. And at the end of it, I really hope that today is a good day and nothing really bad goes wrong. I can't imagine anything does. But a complete amateur on a quarter-mile drag strip, you never know what could go wrong. I just want to have fun with the car the way that it was intended. I've never had a car this fast before. I've never had a car this nice before. Quite frankly, I haven't had that many cars to begin with. I've been an SUV and truck person, so this should be really fun. And if today ends up going well, then we'll take the TRX out on the track if you guys think that's something that will be fun and cool in the next video. The track is a good 2 hours away from me, so I'm going to get on the road. I'm going to get out there, and then from there, we'll just kind of see what the day brings.
I think you have to go forward more.
Do I?
Yeah, you gotta go forward more. Right there. Thank you.
Made my first pass of my life, and my god, this thing was absolutely amazing. I ran 12:31, which is not good. My reaction time was god awful at 0.70. Here she goes. I mean, this is my first time coming out to one of these events, guys, and I'm just blown away. This is so cool for a car enthusiast. I mean, but yeah, so I ended up actually beating the car next to me at least, which is good. But again, it was a Jeep Grand Cherokee. I want to say it was an SRT, not a Trackhawk. But again, reaction time really killed me. But still, 12:31, not bad. Not bad for the first pass. We can only get better from here. So we had a small spill, so they closed the track down for a little bit. But we got a Chevelle versus it looks like an SRT, a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. I got my money on that Camaro. Oh yeah. Wow. 11.5 on the Camaro and 13.5 on the Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. All right, here comes the Corvette. It's lining up against, I think that's an X3M. Let's see how my buddy does. Reaction time was a little delayed, but we did pretty good. Just look at how many cars are turning out just on a Wednesday work night. This is so cool. All right, C8's lining up against the F250 6-liter. Traction spin early on with the C8 right now. Ooh, a 10.8. here come the bikes. This is the one. So far, the fastest one of the day is the 24 valve Cummins that I've seen.
WHEB. I wonder what he's got under the hood.
A lot of money.
He's so funny. I just said it smokes.
Oh, jeez. That wouldn't end well. I don't know if it's that same Cummins though, because there's like 3 or 4 of them. I think that's the one though, because it's a little lifted and has the newer like wheels on it.
This is gonna smoke him. Oh, wait. No. 12. Wow.
Yeah, the wheel hop.
Wheel hopping, yeah, 4-wheel drive.
And just like that, we are back. And oh my God, guys, today was such an amazing day. My GoPro is about to die, but I recorded so much footage and just, it was an absolutely fantastic day. I can't tell you how much fun it is to really track the C8. It's so good and it handles so well. You can pretty much just hot lap it in circles and it's going to do just fine on the quarter mile. I got in 3 passes myself. My buddy got in 2 passes on his end. Unfortunately, the track started breaking up pretty good towards the end of the night there. Actually, even kind of halfway through the night. You can see in the last run, it was just horrible. I couldn't get any traction. I was 14 seconds. Not bad, but you know, not great. The best run of the night though was the 12.2. But for a car that does like in the 11s to hit 12 on my very first time on the track with an actual performance vehicle, I'd say that's pretty good. Epping Raceway up in New Hampshire were super friendly. The staff was great. Even everybody that was in the pits was super friendly. They were approachable. Everyone loved the car. No doubt the biggest sleeper of the night was that 24 valve Cummins. That thing hit a 10-second quarter mile, which is insane for a lifted crew cab truck. I would have loved to known what was under that hood. It hit 12 seconds when the track was breaking up and this thing was hitting 14. I want to give a big shout out to my buddy. You know, he came out there, he took the half day off of work to come out and kind of, you know, record some footage with me, have some fun on the track and kind of help me get acclimated to what is now the track life. I'm going to coordinate getting the TRX out there at some point in this coming summer, so definitely stay tuned for that. And with that said, it's about midnight because the track was so far away and, you know, trying to get back, and we stayed and watched some of the other cars run into the night. But as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you have not already, definitely hit that subscribe button. And just like that, this video is over, and until the very next video, I will see you all in the comment section below.